bike riders now.
We're ready to go with our first rider approaching the rim. So I want you guys to get nice and loud. This is Alex Gamro. Off to a fantastic start right now, but you guys keep up that volume and keep up that energy. Our next rider, give him some volume, it's TJ Tiffany.
That was my favorite. Wow, oh my God.
Super cool win by Alex Gamro. Again, let's take a rim. TJ Tiffany wants to get
That is so cool. They're coming out from right there.
No, we wouldn't let you be the judges of our Monster Jam trucks and not let you have a say in which one of these deer devils will walk away with that title of Best Drink Winner. We are giving you that power at judgeszone.com, so get your smartphones ready. Because between the three of these guys, only one of them can walk away with that title. You guys ready? Grand Rapids, are you ready?
They're trying to have a competition.
The first attempt of the best trick competition. A fun fact about Alex likes to bet on ostrich racing in Poland. He's a world traveler and he's really done some unique things, and that has to be one of his favorites. So when he hits the roadway right now, we need to turn it up to 20. Make some noise!
Scoring is open at judgeszone.com. Alex Gamro coming in with a heart stopper for his best trick here in the best trick competition. Check it out in the Super Glued to the action replay just in case you missed it. But you know what? I always say that first rider has a tough job. They gotta set the bar for the rest of the competition. But you guys have a tough job too. Judgeszone.com. That's where Alex needs you right now to lock in those scores. And in just a few seconds, we'll be taking the average of all scores submitted, and we're gonna have that score to be.
All right, for the Heartstopper with Indian Air in the end there, Alex Gamble, the score is in. And the score is...
Oh, it does.
We're going to find out in just a few seconds. We'll have that official score locked in.
Scorekeeping Alex Gamble, 7.069. A clean backflip right there for TJ Tiffany. The score is in, and the score for TJ Tiffany is... 8.296. You're the leader, TJ Tiffany. With our final competitor left from Bransonville, Maryland, it is Greg Duffy.
Come on. Got
Greg
it.
Duffy on the 450. Hits the throttle. And Greg Duffy, fun fact, inspired by Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, started an ant farm, and that was an ant farm aficionado. He's won 2 of these competitions so far. Kennedy, 3 rounds.
Hopefully to get that little bit of a higher score, but Grand Rapids, you know what to do. Ribbon boards are red, scores open, the clock is ticking, and we're the closest we've been to finding out who will walk away with the title.
Scores in. I mean, Vancouver is tough enough to move a wonder backflipping. It's absolutely wild. TJ Tiffany's score being 8.296. The score for Greg Duffy is...
Come on. Yeah.
You know what, Grand Rapids, I don't think we're done with that move for us yet. TJ, what do you think? You guys think so?
Oh man, we're having fun here. You guys having fun? Would you really have a blast? So
Okay, Grand Rapids, you heard him. This is it. This is the loudest we want you guys to get. After this, we're going back to Monster Jam truck. So we have to send these guys out the proper way. The Grand Rapids way, the loud and the crazy way. You heard TJ, you're going to fly from one side of the arena to the other in a continuous train while performing tricks. Now, my challenge for you, Grand Rapids, we got 3 final trains here. I want to see if we can get louder and louder and louder with every single train. Now, you guys leave the loudest audience that we've had so far. Sorry to all the fake baby Grand Rapids. I know you can do it. When we see that first rider, looks like it's going to be Alex Gamble.
Come on. Let's go.
I want you guys to turn up the volume to get ready. That's perfect. That's great. Can we turn up the volume? Can we get even louder? You guys got the hang of it now. Get ready. Prepare yourselves for ultimate volume. You guys got it. I'm hearing so much from this side. This side, you guys
Let's go like this.
We got one more train. I want
One more.
you to know. Monster Jam's in
Record it. I'm probably gonna
One
go like
final time, Grand Rapids. I know you can
when he
do
goes
it.
back to the
Stomp your feet, use your voice, clap your hands, do whatever you gotta do. In 3, 2, I mean, this has got to create some drama between the competitors, be honest.
Oh no, it's great. Yeah, we're all best friends, and yeah, just out here having fun, doing some stunts for amazing people like you guys.
And you know what, you've been doing this for a long time, you know, you've been a part of a lot of things, Nectar Circus, Monster Jam, the list goes on and on. But what keeps you coming back to this sport? What really keeps your passion strong here at Freestyle
That's
Motocross?
so cool.
Amazing. You know, I get to ride with some of my best friends. Yeah, get to hang out with all these monster truck drivers. They're all so down to earth, super cool people. You guys, the announcers, everybody at Monster Jam is so awesome, including the fans. Fans are hands down the best in the world. And yeah, you guys are getting loud. You guys are getting loud.
And by the chance that you may be inspired something here today to maybe get into freestyle motocross, what would be your advice to those people?
Here, hold on.
Yeah, I actually 15 seconds of their freestyle to get scores. Other than that, it's awesome and it's going to be wild.